Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is gonna be like an unboxing, not like an unboxing, it is an unboxing video, and I am gonna be unboxing my sweatshirts I bought from my supplier. I always love to use that supplier, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that, and also I'm gonna be pressing this sweatshirt so you guys can see how it takes it real good. And I'm gonna be using Scissor Easy Weed Viner. And this is gonna be a mama sweatshirt. My niche is mama's niche because I'm a mother. I just have that thing for mothers and kids. So my niche is about moms, mamas, and kids. So I have been getting a lot of orders on my mama sweatshirt, and that design I just like did the design and it's been selling. Like, that's the only design that has been selling really, like, is design that has been selling real good in my Etsy store. So I'm gonna be pressing that on the sweatshirts that I gonna be unboxing today. So this video is not gonna be a long video. I want it to be a fast video, but I'm just gonna unbox to show you guys the sweatshirts. I have not just sweatshirt but hoodies as well, because I was actually thinking that customers will prefer this customized sweats, customized design on a sweatshirt, but I gave them an option for hoodie, and they've been coming for hoodies, and I'm like, oh. So I already have sweatshirts, some few sweatshirts, but people were demanding for um more of hoodies this last week that just passed, so I had to place an order. The good part about JiffyShirts, where I buy all my shirts from, my sweatshirts and all of that, they ship the next day. You can have an option of you can be lucky, you can have your item to be shipped the next day or after couple days. They ship very fast, so that's why I love JiffyShirts. And you get free shipping when you hit certain amounts, so that's a reason why I love them. So I'm not gonna waste you guys this time. So here is the box that came in the mail. You can see, and I usually go for gilding swords. I'm gonna put this where you guys can really see it. I'm trying to get it up on my chair. That's gonna sit. All right, let me show you guys the box. So here is the box. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. I already got my heat press running. I already cut my design, and I already with the design. So ooh, you guys can already see that you can see the color is very vibrant. Just looking at it, it's a really vibrant color, and this is the most highly requested color on my store, the maroon. And it's hard for me to find it anywhere else around, like in Joanna's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I have been everywhere looking for this. At my local vinyl store, they don't have it, so I had to place an order with JiffyShirts. And they are the one that I always depend on when I don't find stuff around. So I suggest, if you don't want to be buying in bulk or paying for shipping, look for a color that you will not have to be buying online every time. So this one I am like always buying online because customers love this color. And the color is selling real good though. I cannot complain. So I'm gonna show you guys. You can see for the most part is this color that I have, and I think I bought a black. You see guys, all is this color. People just love this color. So I thought I bought a black. Where the heck is the black? They better not make an error. There's no freaking black here. It's dirty. All right, I do not see no black here. Let me check my receipts. I thought I had black. Did they cancel it? It's a good thing that I opened this so I can go to my vinyl store and grab it. I got one crew neck, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoodies. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna look at my order online and see if this was actually what I ordered for, because I thought I ordered a black, but obviously I did not. So I have to go to my vinyl store and pick up the black. Black is something you'll be able to find anywhere, but this color here is hard to find it. So now I am just going to go ahead and get all the designs that is meant for each of them and organize them, and I'm gonna start pressing them. So guys, I got everything organized accordingly, and like I told you guys, this is gonna be this is the easy way that I'm using, and I already cut the designs. So the design is basically just a regular mama sweatshirt, but this is a hoodie though. I have the sweatshirts as well, regular mama sweats, and I'm using Caesar Easy Weed. I already said that a million times. And you guys know the process. You want to preheat your hoodie, your sweats, whatever you're using. You want to make sure you preheat it for 3 to 5 seconds. And I am using my heat is 305 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. So this is just the regular mama's design. I'm gonna put it by the neck. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done so you guys can see how it look like. It is supposed to be placed by the neck, and you guys know this already. If I can find my so you want to make sure you have this there, and this just helps. For those of you that don't know, it helps for even heat distribution. So we're just going to go ahead and press this. This design is a really simple design, and people seem to really like it. And this is the first time I'm actually doing it on a hoodie. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this, and this is supposed to be medium pressure, but I have it on firm pressure because of all the designs that I used, and I'm not gonna change it. It's not gonna affect nothing. So the sleeve, the names of the kids is gonna be on the sleeve. So I'm gonna bring this closer so you guys can see it. So here I am gonna go ahead and take off the mama design, and it is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sleeve as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the length out of the sleeve as well, and I'm gonna press it for 3 to 5 seconds. All right. And this is 3 to 5 seconds now, because we are actually leaving it for 15 seconds. The regular amount is 15 seconds. I'm not sure if I already told you guys that. So I'm gonna put the name of the kids on the sleeve. All right, and I'm gonna use this, hold it down to place it on it so I can get even heat distribution, and I'm gonna let it go for 15 seconds. Alright guys, so now I am on my way to the post office. Your girl is so tired and I am at the stoplight right now, so that's why I'm like looking at to make sure the light is not green. I'm so exhausted, so I had to change my outfit because I'm going to the gym. Oops, phone is bouncing. So I am going to the gym from the post office, and when I'm done with the gym, I'm just gonna come home, chill with the family, and live normal life. Because I've been busy all day since I woke up. I've been going non-stop. Alright guys, so I'm about to grab all of this. I did we don't have the boxes that I need. Alright guys, so I am done with the post office. I'm about to go to the gym now. I have my gym bag here. I'm about to grab one and head out to the gym. I'm gonna go in. I'm out here. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have been rocking with me from when I started this business till now and still going. I appreciate every one of y'all, and as always, stay positive, work hard, and always make it happen. Bye bye.